Let me show you guys how to create cooking videos like this. Yeah, cooking videos that can go viral on any social media platform, whether YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, name them guys. And even if you are not into the cooking niche, you can also use the idea from this tutorial to generate your own videos regardless of your niche, guys. And we're just going to be using few AI platforms and softwares for this particular video, and I would advise you guys to watch this video to the end without skipping any part of this video. Yes guys, you can actually use these videos to make money online in this 2026. You can use it to monetize any social media platform of your choice, guys. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. Without taking much of your time, let us go straight into the screen recording and let me show you guys how to. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to be doing is we need to head to ChatGPT in order to generate our video script, then our image prompt, and of course our video prompt. So you go ahead and open your ChatGPT. If you don't have it, you can go ahead and download it. All right, so already I have all my prompts. I'm going to be showing you guys the prompts. All right, I'll be putting it in the description so that you guys can access it, so you don't have to worry. All right, so this is the prompt I'm giving ChatGPT. I'm telling ChatGPT to create a 2-minute cooking video tutorial for a food content channel. All right, this is the style I want it to, use, and also this is the character I want it to use. A confident black Nigerian woman cooking in a neat home kitchen. She is friendly, expressive, and speaks clearly. All right, so this is it, guys. This is our prompt. So let's go ahead and run it and see what ChatGPT will give us. Okay guys, so we told ChatGPT to create a 2-minute cooking video script for a food content channel, and this is the style that I want ChatGPT to be using. And also we're going to be using a black woman. So this is it. These are our visuals, and these are our step by step, and depending on how you want it. So as you can see the script, you have a place where the host will kind of be mentioning like the ingredients she's going to be using and how she will be seasoning it, garlic and salt, the ingredient that she'll be adding. So everything is already in our script. So next we're going to be telling ChatGPT to generate an image prompt for each of these scenes. All right, so you go ahead and type generate an image prompt for each of the scenes. All right, you can then even add generate a detailed image prompt for each of the scenes. So we'll run it and see what ChatGPT is going to give us. All right, perfect. So guys, here we have all our scenes. Our scenes are ready. Okay, so we are done generating our script, and we also have our image prompt ready. So we're going to be telling ChatGPT to generate an image prompt in Pixar 3D and also include a master character prompt of the black Nigerian woman to ensure character consistency. So don't worry guys, like I said, I'm going to be putting all the prompts for you guys in the description. So I have to generate the prompt because this one I forgot to include the master prompt, and I also forgot to include the Pixar 3D, and I also forgot to include that it should be in Pixar 3D, so I had to regenerate it. But don't worry, I'm going to be giving you guys all the prompts. So this is perfect guys. So this is the master prompt for the character. All right, this is it, her outfit, her personality, language, light, everything. And this is also the environment prompt. Now the website we're going to be using to generate our image is Wix AI. All right, so you go ahead and type Wix AI in your browser depending on the one you're using, and then you see this Google Labs. Go ahead and click on Google Labs and allow it to open. So once you see something like this, you're going to click on launch Wix, and then you hold on. Now you click on enter tool and allow it to load. All right, perfect. If you are not registered yet, it will show you an option to register with your email. So all you need to do is just use any of your email to register, and that is it. Now we're going to be starting with the first scene. All right, so this is our scene 1, and look at it here. They made it clear that insert master character prompt and insert master environment prompt, just to ensure consistency guys. Very, very important. So this is our master character prompt. Okay, so let's copy it. Let's copy our master character prompt copied, and then we come back to Wix AI and we paste. Then let's generate the image first. To make it easier, let's generate our master character prompt. Let me show you guys. All right, so this is our character. You can go ahead and save. If you are not okay with the character, guys, you can always change it to whatever you want it to look like. It's very easy and very simple. So you save. Then we need to take this out. Okay, then we'll go back and we'll now copy our master environment prompt. We copy and then we come here and paste. Then we run it. So we wait for it to load so that we'll see what it will give us. This normally takes just a few minutes, guys, or a few seconds. It's mostly not up to a minute though. Perfect, guys. So we have two options. Which one should we be going for? I think I like the first one, so we'll go ahead and save it. Now, the reason why I said we should generate the character prompt first, the master character prompt first, and the environment master character prompt is so that it will make our work easier. Now I'm going to show you guys what to do, because now we're going to be having a character consistency, all right, without any interruption. So now we'll go to our scene 1 and we copy our scene 1. We copy the prompt and then we come back here to Wix AI and you paste the prompt. Now we are going to click on this add image, and then this place you're seeing subject, you click on this photo icon. All right, choose file, and then we insert our character prompt. Okay, so you allow it to upload until the image stands still, is not done uploading. All right, so let's just give it a little time to upload. Perfect, it has uploaded. Then you click again on this plus sign to add more box under the subject. Then you still click on the photo icon, choose file, and then you select your environment master prompt. That's the kitchen environment that we generated, and then you click on it. You also allow it to load. Perfect, guys. Once it's done uploading, just click on this X sign here to bring you back here, so you guys can see. Look at this, is my scene 1 prompt is up, and this are my this is my character prompt and also the kitchen prompts that we generated. This is my character image and the kitchen image that we generated. All right, so you go ahead and run it. So let's see what it will give us. What is the first scene? Even saying medium wide cinematic shot. She stands behind the kitchen island, and perfect. Now can you guys see? You guys see our character is now in the kitchen. So you go ahead and save. Let me save the first one. We have two options. You can always go with the one you want. So we save, and that is it. That's for scene 1, right? Now that we've gotten our character and she's inside that environment, that's inside the kitchen that we want, we can now take this out, and then we also take this scene 1 prompt out. Now we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy our scene 2. We copy and then we paste it, and make sure you save the image, guys. Always make sure you save the image. All right, just to be sure, let me just go and check whether we've saved the image. That's the image that we generated in scene 1, because that is the image we're going to be using from now to the end of the video. Perfect. Now that we are sure that our image is saved, so you click on add image again, so you can take these ones out. Now this place you're seeing subject, still click on the photo icon and then you choose file. Now you select the last image that we downloaded. You allow it to upload until the image stands still. Perfect. So you click on this X sign to exit that place. Now you see we have our image attached and we have our scene 2, because that was the scene 1 we created. So you run it and let's see what it's going to give us. Let's see what it's going to give us. Let's see what it's going to give us. Perfect, guys. So okay, it's actually the ingredients that we're going to be using. That is what scene 2 is giving us. So let's save it. Let's save it. Make sure you save it, guys. Very, very important. So let me do scene 3 quickly. Since it's not much, we can do, I think we just have, is it 3 or 4 scenes? So let's just do it together to the end. So guys, we'll go to our scene 3 now. Then we copy scene 3 and we paste the prompt here. See, our main character image is still there. Remember, always make sure the image is there. Don't take it out. Then we run it and see what it will give us. Now that we are done generating all our images scene by scene, we're going to be going back to ChatGPT. We'll be heading to the scripts that we generated earlier. We're going to be animating all our scenes using the scripts that we generated. And guys, something I want you to pay attention is this is AI, okay? So you don't just go ahead and paste exactly what you see in the scenes. There are some scenes that you need to, you know, be creative and input 1 or 2. Even when I was generating the image, I need to tweak it a little so that it will give me what I want. It's AI, right? So you just have to be creative. You just have to be smart. So we're going to be starting with the first scene, okay? Now we're going to be using Grok to animate our, you know, images. We're going to be using Grok to convert our images to videos. So you go ahead and open your Grok and you click on Imagine. If you don't have Grok, you can go ahead and download it. Grok is free. So you click on this image icon and then you click on Animate. Okay, now the picture for our first scene was this particular one. I think that's when she was introducing herself, right? So you're going to, you know, give it a little time. Normally, if you're using phone, Grok will always generate it first. Then you can go ahead and, you know, paste in your prompt. So why it is generating, because we're definitely not going to be using what Grok will generate. We want it to use our own so that our story will tally, right? So you go ahead and copy. All right, you copy from here these visuals, then down to hosts. Now you copy. All right, now look at what she's saying. Hi my loves, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make this creamy garlic butter chicken. Simple, delicious, perfect, even if you are just starting. Now guys, this particular prompt might be too long. This dialogue, what we want her to say might be too long, so you might want to, you know, cut it into 2 halves. Maybe you first of all paste the first 2 lines. That's where she said, hi my loves, welcome back to my kitchen, blah blah blah. Then you stop in how to make this. Then you stop. Then you have to do another one to complete the remaining. But then let's paste everything and see what is going to give us. All right, Grok is done generating. So let's just paste our
smells incredible. Let me give it a quick stir.
Prompts, our scene 1 prompt, and we run it. So this is very easy, guys. Very, very easy. I think where the work is actually Wix AI, and I've already explained that to you guys very well. Once you're able to create it up to this point, then guys, you've mastered AI to some point. All right, so let's listen.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make this creamy garlic butter chicken. So just starting out. Hi my loves, welcome back to my kitchen. Today,
guys, it worked. She actually said everything. So let's just save it and we'll go back again, and then we click on Imagine, then we click on Animate. Then we insert the image for scene 2, and the image for scene 2 is when she's introducing the ingredients that we're going to be using. So while Grok is animating, let's go back to ChatGPT and copy our scene 2 prompt, our video prompt for scene 2. So we go ahead and copy it. Okay, and we come back to Grok. We wait for Grok to animate so that we can paste our own prompt. If you're actually using a laptop or probably the desktop version other than the app, you can always, there's a place that you can actually turn off the auto generate. All right, but I'm not sure if this app version has it. So we'll go ahead and paste our video prompts and see what it's going to give us.
We'll need chicken breast, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic, butter, cooking cream, chicken stock, and a little parsley for.
Okay, so guys, if you notice, it's actually a male voice that is there. So we're going to be including just here. You can just add something like voice, gentle, female voice. Now, let's run it again. Yeah, our host is a woman, so we can't use a male voice. So guys, you see, that's why I said it's AI can never be 100%. You just have to use wisdom. All right, so in the subsequent scene now, always remember to add gentle female voice to ensure consistency, so that we will not have different voices. So let's see what we have now.
We'll need chicken breast, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic, butter, cooking.
All right, you guys, this is okay. So let's go ahead and save it, and then we still go back, and we're going to be adding our scene 2. Sorry, our scene 3. We just finished scene 2 now. Our scene 3 should be when she's washing the chicken, right? So we put the image there. We allow it to animate as usual. While it's animating, I'll just go back to ChatGPT and copy the next scene. If you're still watching up to this point, guys, and you're yet to like this video, please guys, kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel. So guys, this is how you're going to be doing it. You follow it one after the other according to the scenes. That's how you continue doing it until you are done. So guys, I will just go ahead and finish the remaining scene, and then I'll come back. Then we'll go to CapCut together and merge all the clips together, and then I'll show you guys the final result. Okay guys, now that we're done animating all our images to video, we're going to be heading straight to CapCut. That is where we're going to be merging our videos and be doing some little or no even editing at all. All right, so you click on this plus icon, and then you're going to start adding your videos from the first scene. All right, the second scene. By now you should have known all the scenes. In case you are confused, you can always go back to ChatGPT to check it according to the scene, but I already know how I arranged all my videos according to the scene. All right, so I will just arrange them accordingly, and I will show you guys the outcome.
Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm showing you how to make this creamy garlic butter chicken so Dizik starting out. We'll need chicken breast, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic butter, cooking cream, chicken stock, and a little parsley for garnish. Simple ingredients, big flavor. All right, let's get you all cleaned up. There we go, nice and fresh. First, season your chicken generously with salt, pepper, and paprika. Don't be shy, seasoning is where the flavor starts. Heat your pan on medium and add butter. Once it cooks for about 4 or 5 chickens on each side until golden brown. This color, that's flavor. In the same pan, add your garlic. Let it cook for just 30 seconds. Don't let it burn. And stir gently and let it simmer. Return the chicken to the pan and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. The sauce will thicken beautifully. Wash and chop your vegetables nicely. This helps keep them fresh and tasty. It's a great habit for healthy cooking. Add a little spice to your veggies and stir while it steams under low heat. And just like that, creamy garlic butter chicken. So easy, so comforting. Serve it with rice, pasta, or vegetables. Delicious. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, delicious recipes. I'll see you in my next video.
If you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please guys, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you're looking forward to learn a lot of things on YouTube, because I'm going to be posting a lot of tutorials from AI, how to monetize your YouTube, how to create AI videos, and so many ways that you can actually use to make money on social media in this year 2026. So guys, make sure your notification is also turned on so that you'll be updated anytime I upload such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comment section which tutorial you want me to be doing next. See you guys in our next. Bye.